Hey guys, it's Cole. I'm a physics math major in the 3-2 engineering program, and I'm a junior. And today I'm going to talk about The Office and the IMDb ratings over the course of the show. So the American version of The Office started to run in 2005, and they produced over 9 seasons containing 202 episodes, and it concluded in 2013. It ran on NBC and then was on Netflix all the way until 2021. The Office is one of the most popular shows that's ever produced, and the overall rating on IMDb is 9.0 out of 10. So now we're looking at a box plot of the IMDb ratings of the episodes of The Office for each season. It looks like the show got better from seasons 1 until season 3, then it declined slightly from 3 until 7, and we see a big drop for seasons 8 and 9. If we look at the events of this show, we can pretty easily explain this trend. In the first few seasons, the show was becoming more interesting, more characters were introduced, relationships were built, and the storyline was becoming layered. After this, the ratings seemed to drop slowly over time. The original characters and storylines were getting replaced with new ones. These storylines that had originally increased ratings from seasons 1 to 3 were becoming old. The show seemed to kind of be forcing them, or they were coming up with other ones too quickly. This big drop after season 7 happened when Steve Carell, who played Michael, left the show, and a lot of people would argue that the show is not at all the same after he left. So a lot of people don't watch seasons 8 and 9. We can see this similar trend happen when we look at the IMDb rating of every episode, just looking at the overall episode number on our x-axis. This general trend, as I said, is the same. Another observation that we can make as the show goes on, we see the scatter start to increase a lot more. You see a lot more very high values as well as very low values in the later seasons. Whereas in the first seasons, all the ratings are over 7, but under 9 or maybe 9.5. And I believe this is because as it went on, the show it had gained popularity, it had a name for itself, and they were able to take risks. Whereas early on, they had to get by. If they had one bad episode, they could get canceled, so they wouldn't take any chances. And then you'll see the very last episode is the highest in the top right. This is the season finale. They brought back the whole old cast, including Steve Carell, so it's pretty clear why that one got rated highly. Just had all the elements of seasons 1 through 3 with the original storylines, and everything came back together. Thanks for watching so far, and I hope you learned a little bit about The Office.